Now the harmony for Jingle Bells is going to be played in our violas and cellos this year. So the harmony starts on open A, and you play a bunch of open A's, and then you're going to have high 3 on D. This is on viola. I'm not sure the finger for cellos, but your cello teacher can show you how to do it. But you have jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the, and then you start on A and go down. A, high 3, 2, 1. Then you have long notes again. 1D, or sorry, 1A, A, then 1D, then start on 1D and go up the ladder. And I played 2 1s. And then the third line is the same as the first line I already played with the long A's. And then down the ladder, 1A, A, and then go to 1D. And that's how you play it. So I'll play the whole thing without stopping. Ready, go.